In this video, we're going to take you through unboxing the printer, setting the printer up, open it up, 2 power cords, standard kettle style Euro and UK power cords, a bit more unpacking, USB cable, type A, type C, standard printer cable, power supply, again pretty standard stuff for the desktop printers from Zebra. A little bit more unpacking and the printer itself is revealed. So let's take it out of the box and have a look. And there it is, ZD-220 direct thermal model. Printer has an on-off switch. This one is on the front of the printer. So to turn it on, you need to push the switch on the front, and you can see that the LED lights up, indicating the printer has power. So the next step, we're going to load some media into the printer. Open it up with the 2 yellow touch points on the side. Standard clamshell design, folds up and stays open. The media guides here are adjustable, so you can open them as far as you need for the media, spring-loaded, and they return. They also have a lock on them, so if you're using fan-fold media supplied externally, you can actually lock the guides into position. But we have some roller media today, so that's what we're going to use. The other thing you may need to adjust is the sensor. Again, a yellow touch point. The sensor, you can move it from the middle position all the way across to the edge. So the media loads in, you open it up, you put it on the hanger, you put it through the 2 integrated media guides on the front, over the platen roller and out the front, and then simply close it up. Printer LED goes green, and you can press the pause button to feed a label through. Printer automatically calibrates. That's as simple and as easy as it is to load and set up your ZD-220.